In this video, I'll show you how to share your PowerPoint presentation in Zoom while keeping your presenter notes visible. First, open Zoom and click on Share Screen. At the top, go to the Advanced tab. Now select Portion of Screen and click Share. You'll now see a green box appear on your screen. This green box is the area your viewers will see. Next, open your PowerPoint presentation. Now, go to the Slideshow tab and make sure Use Presenter View is enabled. After that, start your slideshow by clicking From Beginning or From Current Slide. You'll now see Presenter View with your notes on the screen. Resize and move the green box so it only covers the slideshow part of your PowerPoint presentation and not your presenter notes. While you adjust the box, Zoom will temporarily pause screen sharing, so participants won't see the changes you're making. Once the green box is placed correctly, your audience will only see the slides inside the box. That's it. This is how you can hide presenter notes and share only your PowerPoint slides in Zoom using a single screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.